Hi guys, between the rain showers out there we have bright sunshine, so I'm going to take this infrared controlled helicopter out there and see if the controls are flooded by the sunlight. It's something I've done many years ago, but I just thought we'd give it a try because this was a cheap helicopter. It's not going to matter if we lose it, other than causing waste somewhere. But we'll just take it out the back and see what happens. It's also a little bit windy or gusty. Right, switch it on. That was interesting. Normally it does a little burst of speed when you switch it on and then switches itself off again. Okay, we'll see what happens. That turned itself on. I didn't do that. This is going to be interesting. There is every chance we'll lose it. I'll just wait for that breeze to stop. Yeah, bright sunlight. That hasn't turned it on. Okay. Oh, it's not even seeing me pressing the button now. Go in the shade. Yeah. Well, that was a good enough demonstration anyway. So it works in the shade, in the sunshine. It can't see the signals. So we wouldn't be able to turn it off again, which is what you would expect, fly away. Well, we probably don't need to do any more than that. That was a good enough demonstration. In bright sunlight, nothing. Hold it right up to the sensor. Can we turn it off? No. Hold it right up to the sensor. Yes. Out with the sunlight. Yes. That triggered on its own again. Let's just risk it there. Oh, I think battery's run down a bit now. Because I haven't recharged it since we tried it when it was new. When I say when it was new, when we unboxed it. I charged it up then. Yeah, hasn't got enough power to fly now. Alright, well, we've demonstrated what I wanted to demonstrate, that sunlight floods the signal, but we've also demonstrated we've run the battery down. So yeah, that'll do. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing. And somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.